Ah, what was that? Who goes there? Alright, I definitely heard you now. Show your face, coward. Must have been a chipmunk or something. Ah! Where the hell did you guys come from?
Francis, it is us, your family. Your father has sent for you. Gather your belongings and let us be off.
Brown Bear, is it? Brown Bear? I have no family. I was created through the Force and science. The one you call Francis, or Sunshine Bear, he is long gone. He is merely a vessel now. I am Rainstorm. What is it the Elder Bear requires?
Francis, what has become of you? You are a Care Bear, not some thug or street rat. You know your father explains himself to no one. Please don't make this difficult.
Look, with all due respect, Brown Bear, you can kiss the bluest part of my ass.
Enough, Francis. Brown Bear will not be spoken to in that manner. You really have changed, haven't you? You're not the Francis I fell in love with.
The Francis you fell in love with died crying like a bitch. Now why don't you Care Bears go save a rainforest or something? I have business to attend to.
Please just come with us. We can fix all of this and make it right.
No, I'm a savage now. I don't have any time for all that save the world propaganda anymore. And I'm supposed to be hosting the Rainstorm game, so unless you want trouble, I suggest you leave now.
You don't know how sorry I am to hear that. Alright, boys, girls, get 'em.
Get off me! Damn it!
Listen here, buddy. We all love you, but you have become quite the asshole. I apologize for what's about to happen. Your father felt it'd be best we take this route. It's gonna hurt, but I think it's gonna hurt us a little bit more.
Suck my balls, Moonlight Bear. You little fucking bitch. No weapon forged against me shall prosper.
Now that may be true, but it'll sure hurt like hell, that's for sure. Initiating the protosonic death ray.
Fuck you and the rest of these little muppet-ass fuckboys. Oh, it hurts. Oh, God, it fucking hurts. Oh, my dick is burning. Please, I'm sorry, I'll change. Cut it off.
I knew it would work. Let me turn this off. Oh, gee. Stuck.
Please, it's fucking killing me. Cut it off.
Oh, jeez. Seems jelly was on my fingers earlier. The button's jammed. Oh, dear. Someone unplug it. Unplug it.
My eyeballs. They are melting. Please.
God damn it.
Well, that sucked.